Hello and welcome to another episode of the Voice of Innominion. And today we have with us a very special guest, Shaik Mehboob. Sheik Mehboob has recently been placed in Quadrant Resources as a software trainee in data science and is here with us to share his journey about Innomatics training methodology, his placement experience, and much more. Hi, Sheik. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, man.
Sheik, we'll jump right into the questions. My first question to you is I want to know about your data science journey. When you decided that, yes, I will do data science until the time now that you have been placed, आपका ये पूरा journey कैसा रहा?
Actually, I was interested in chip designing and antenna designing. So after completion of BE programming in electronics and telecommunication from the College of Engineering, I was handling my cousin business after doing my career in electronics and telecommunication engineering. So later on, I thought that if this is the case, then how can I build my career in future and how can I earn more money when compared to business and the life leading technologies right now going on, like machine learning, AI, data scientists, full stack development, digital marketing, everything. So I decided to join this chip designing in the after I doing helping my cousin. So I joined in some MOSFET silicon designs for integrated circuits. So unfortunately, but due to the lockdown, all has occurred. So I jumped from there to data science field. Once I was scrolling on the Instagram page, I got to know that there is a data science which is leading technology nowadays. Then later on, I decided to join Data Science Institute. But prior to that, I had no exposure to this programming language, and I was nervous to this programming. I used to hate the programming languages as well. So later on, then I decided anyway I have to do something by learning this data science and artificial intelligence. So I was checking for an institute which provides me very good faculty members and very good exposure in programming skills. So then I was searching in the Google that which is the top best institute in data science. Then I got up with Innomatic Research Lab as a best data science institute. Then I got joined into this data science, where in this Innomatics, the faculties are like friends and mentors are like cousins, and Innomatics is like home. So we can learn everything from Innomatics Research Lab. And then I got placed in the Quadrant Resource. With this faculty members that they have taught us, we have got some real-time project. They used to work on real-time projects, and the faculties here are from industry experts with minimum of 10 years experience. They always used to work on real-time projects and give us real-time scenario examples where we could able to understand. Even though we are from non-technical background, the people are from non-technical background, they used to understand it very well, and that make me got a job in that had given me a hands-on experience on these projects as well, and which place me got in Quadrant Resource.
You said somewhere in between that you used to hate programming, coding per se.
Yes.
When did it turn from hate to love?
So actually, when I saw this data science in Google search, so I just saw that Python is a programming language. Again I started hating that array. Again I got into this programming field which I used to hate. Then I searched about the programming language of Python, and which is very easy to learn. Even from a non-technical background can learn this Python language. So I started learning something.
When you were looking for a proper data science institute, I'm sure you must have come across many options on Google because everybody advertises. What made you decide that, yes, I want to pursue it with Innomatics Research Lab?
So actually, one of my friend also suggested me to take the Innomatics Research Lab as a training institute to pursue a data science career, because the best thing is I have seen that from the last 3 years, Times of India has also awarded prizes for this Innovative Research Lab, and this is the way I have taken.
Okay. My next questions are a few are specific to your job related. I wanted to know what was the interview procedure that you went through for Quadrant Resource, and what are the levels, how difficult or how easy is it? This question is for other people who are also going to apply now for jobs. So if you can share for them.
Actually, there are 4 rounds in this Quadrant Research interview. The first round was aptitude and logical reasoning that everyone must learn from their own side, and the other 3 rounds were: one is technical round round 1, technical round 2, and the other is HR round. Wherein the technical round 1 was they were asking all about the projects, a detailed explanation about the projects and the libraries that you have used for the project, analysis, visualization. And the technical round 2 was a Python skills, programming skills, SQL, and all the stuff. And the HR round was normally like salary, rules and regulations of the company.
So, as a part of Innomatics, we do placement assistance activities. How do these activities help you in, appearing for interviews and, gaining confidence?
When compared to other institute, maybe they won't have any this type of placement assistance, I think so. So one of the best thing that is that they used to take resume building sections, and they used to conduct mock interviews in every week or every 15 days. That boosted my confidence to attend the interviews as well and crack the interview. And we used to get different opportunities like Python developer, machine learning, full stack development, and it is also famous for full stack development as well as digital marketing as well.
I wanted to ask you, there are several students, I'm sure, in your own batch or you see around who are still in the process of preparing the courses and then preparing for an interview. What would be your advice to such students who are still in the preparatory phase?
As per my past experience, I suggest that the people who are really wanted to pursue the data science, it's like always learning new things in the environment. I suggest for the people, if you're learning new things in the environment, we have to be something like in the process of achieving big goals, we have to face many obstacles, hurdles, challenges, everything. So apart from that, in process of achieving that, we lose our confidence, we lose our heart, and eventually we give up in the stage. So we give up at the stage without knowing that we are just reaching the threshold of the destination that we are trying to reach. And I suggest people to always problems, obstacles, and opportunities are the opportunities to prove our hidden potential and power. So continue until a goal you reach ahead of.
Those are very, very nice and wise words, Sheik. Thank you so much. Okay, now I'll move on to the last two questions I have. I want to know what have been, your favorite moments in an Innomatics classroom, or what have been the highlights of being with the Innomatics?
So many highlights that I can express, but time is not permitting. Just I will list a few words. One thing, the special care were taken by the mentors for the people who could not able to understand the new concepts and who were new to the programming languages. The mentors like Ram sir, Kiran sir, and Nak sir, Himanshu sir, they used to help us a lot while we are struggling in between or we are facing any difficulties in solving the problems.
My last question to you is, do you have any special message, any special mentions that you want to do for the teams, for the entire team of Innomatics?
Yeah, as per there is no suggestions any that I can give, but for the people who are really wanted to pursue their careers, there is a one quote of APJ Abdul Kalam. So difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize the hidden potential and power. Let the difficulties know that you too are difficult.
Very kind words, Sheik. Thank you so much. Thank you for taking out the time to speak to us, because success stories like yours will keep not only us, but several motivated. And it feels extremely nice when you see one of your own charting a successful career path. So thank you for taking out the time for us.
Thank you.
Innomatics Research Labs. We don't just train, we transform careers.